Hey guys, Alex Ferrero here. So I just decided to shoot this video to explain one concept that has been very important for me, and I think it will be important for you as well. So it's very important to just have those moments in your life where you just kind of like have peace with yourself and just sit and relax and just think. And so for me personally, it has been like close to the sea here where I live, where I'm just spending several minutes a day just thinking about new things that that are coming. Just relax, just sit and just think, and that has been very profound for me. Some of my best ideas have come from moments like this, because like life is very fast nowadays, and for everyone is running, and every day you have so many things to do, so many people want your attention. So what's important to have is just to have those moments where you just relax, you just sit, not for hours or so, but just like a few minutes a day, and you relax, think, and then you have you come back with new ideas, and some of the best ideas will come to you as a result of you like fully relax and just have time with yourself. So just some ideas for even for Facebook ads. Some of my best ideas for my clients, for myself, have come from just being here, like just being at a quiet place where nothing distracts me, and basically some of the best ideas come from there. So and it's just like good things to have in your life, just those moments of relaxations and peace. So just wanted to share this with you. Find a moment in your life, find a place in your life where you just can relax, can just think what you want to accomplish, what you want to do with your life, and you'll see that a lot of good ideas will come to you naturally as a result of this. So just wanted to share this with you. Thank you so much, and just comment and post below what has been your best realization in terms of like finding a peace with yourself, so you can be you can just focus on your goals and have a good life. So just post below this video. If you like this video, just click like, and I'll see you in the next video.